Hello dear students, welcome back to the online class. Dear students, today I am going to solve some problems on the topic gravitation. Already in the offline classes we discussed on the concept of acceleration due to gravity on the surface, above the surface and below the surface, and force between two bodies from using universal gravitational constant. Already I discussed the numerical problems on that concept. Today, I am going to solve some more problems on this topic like time period and orbital velocity and escape velocity, gravitational potential energy. Now, we will see the first question. Here, the first question is like this. If the mass of the earth, if the mass of the earth, the mass of the earth is 100 times the mass of the earth is 100 times that of the moon. Mass of the earth is 100 times that of the moon. And its diameter is 5 times that of the moon. Mass of the earth is 100 times that of the moon. The given values are like this. First one here. Mass of the earth, it is equal to 100 times of mass of the moon, and its diameter is 5 times that of the moon. Diameter of the earth is equal to 5 times into diameter of the moon. Mass of the earth is 100 times that of the moon, and diameter of the earth is 5 times that of the moon. What is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter and radius. Here, r is equal to d divided by 2, or d is equal to 2 into r. D is equal to 2 into r. Here, the diameter of the earth is equal to 5 into diameter of the moon. Therefore, it is equal to diameter of the earth is equal to, here the diameter of the earth is equal to 2 times of radius of the earth. From using this value, diameter of the earth is equal to 2 times of radius of the earth equal to 5 into 5 into radius of the moon. 5 into 2 times of radius of the moon. 2 times of radius of the moon. Therefore, the radius of the earth is equal to 5 into 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 into Rm, the radius of the earth is equal to 5 into radius of the moon. The radius of the earth is equal to 5 times of radius of the moon. Mass of the earth is 100 times that of the moon, and its diameter is 5 times that of the moon. Compare the weight of the body on the surface of the moon. Weight of the body on the surface of the moon and its weight on the surface of the earth. Here we know the formula W is equal to m into z. When the mass is multiplied with acceleration due to gravity, then it is called weight. Weight of the body, it depends on acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration due to gravity value is varies from one place to another place. Here in this problem, compare the weight of the body on the surface of the moon with its weight on the surface of the earth. ಇಲ್ಲಿ mass of the earth 100 times that of the moon ಇದೆ. Diameter is 5 times that of the moon. ಎರಡೂ ಬಾಡಿದು ವೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮೂನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ತ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. How to calculate acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth? G is equal to gm divided by r square. This is equation number 1. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, G is equal to gm divided by r square. On the surface of the earth, Ge and me and re. Here, this notation is used to calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. And acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon, instead of E, here I can write m. Gm is equal to G into m, mass of the moon, this is mass of the earth, divided by radius of the moon. From this formula we can calculate acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೂನ್ with its weight on the surface of the earth. Now you get these two equation. Now dividing equation 2 by 1. Dividing equation 2 by 1. When you divide the equation 2 by 1, we get Gm divided by Ge. Gm divided by Ge means acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon divided by acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Moon, you know the formula, that is Gmm divided by r square into m. Gmm divided by r square into m, and radius of the earth divided by radius of the earth divided by universal gravitational constant into mass of the earth, into mass of the earth. You get only here G and G values are get cancelled. When these two values are get cancelled, we get acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon divided by acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is equal to mass of the moon divided by mass of the earth. Mass of the moon divided by mass of the earth into radius of the earth divided by radius of the moon whole square. Radius of the earth divided by radius of the moon whole square. Therefore mass of the moon ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Mass of the moon divided by mass of the earth is 100 times of mass of the moon. Mass of the earth is 100 times of mass of the moon. Mass of the moon divided by mass of the earth is equal to mass of the earth is equal to 100 times of mass of the moon into the radius of the earth is equal to 5 times of radius of the moon. Radius of the earth is equal to 5 times of radius of the moon divided by radius of the moon whole square. Here mm, mass of the moon and mass of the moon values are get cancelled. Radius of the moon and radius of the moon, these two values are get cancelled. Here we will get only the values 5 and a square ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 25 divided by radius of the moon value ಹೋಗಿದೆ, mass of the moon value ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು 100. 25 divided by 100. Here we get acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon divided by acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, that is 25 divided by 100. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ವೆನ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಎಮ್ ಜಿ ಎಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಮ್ ಜಿ ಇ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 25 divided by 100, or you can write this equation 1 by 4. 25 into 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಾ 100, 1 by 4. mgm, this is called weight. Mass is multiplied with acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon divided by mass is multiplied with acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. Now you can write this equation, weight on the surface of the moon divided by weight on the surface of the earth, they are in the ratio of 1:4. They are in the ratio of 1:4. Therefore weight on the surface of the moon, weight on the surface of the moon and weight on the surface of the earth, it is in the ratio of 1:4 or 25 divided by 100. This is the desired result for this problem. Weight of the body on the surface of the moon with its weight on the surface of the earth, it is in the ratio of 1:4. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Calculate orbital velocity. Calculate orbital velocity and time period of revolution of an artificial satellite. Calculate the orbital velocity and Time period. You know the formula. Orbital velocity VO is equal to orbital velocity VO is equal to root of gm divided by r plus h, or VO is equal to root of g into r. And period of revolution of an artificial satellite of Earth moving at an altitude means height 200 kilometer if radius of the Earth is 6400 kilometer. Mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg, and universal gravitational constant value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. Here, calculate the orbital velocity. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ given values ಏನದವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ? ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ವಿ ಒ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟಲೈಟ್. ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸೆಟಲೈಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟಲೈಟ್. ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ an altitude of 200 kilometer, h is equal to ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಾ? 200 kilometer, or you can write this equation 200 into 10 to the power of 3 meter, and radius of the earth r is equal to 6400 kilometer, or it is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 meter. 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 meter, and mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg, and universal gravitational constant value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. These are the given constant values. First one, to find the orbital velocity. To find the orbital velocity, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಇರಲಿ? ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಹೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. ಹೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. ಹೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು ಅಂದಾಗ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಪಿ ಒ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಆರ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಪಿ ಒ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ orbital velocity VO is equal to root of gm divided by r plus h. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. when you substitute the values in this equation, equal to root of g value, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into, here that is mass of the earth, 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg divided by radius of the earth, that is 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 into height h is equal to, the height h is equal to 200 kilometer. 200 into 10 to the power of 3 ಇದೆ ಅದು. 200 into 10 to the power of 3. Now you can write this equation root of 6.67 into 6 multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 6.67 into 6. 6.67 into 6, we get the answer 40.02 into 10 to the power of minus 11 plus 24, here 10 to the power of 13 divided by 6.4 or 6400 r plus h ಇದೆ ಇದು. 6400 plus 200 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 6600. 6600 ಇದನ್ನು 6400 into 10 to the power of 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 6.6 into 10 to the power of 6. 6.6 into 10 to the power of 6 is equal to root of 40.02 into 10 to the power of 13 ಇದೆ. ಈ 13 ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು 12 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 400.2. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. 14 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 12 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. 12 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 400.2 400.2 into 10 to the power of 12 divided by 6.6 into 10 to the power of 6. 6.6 into 10 to the power of 6. Therefore, we get the answer here root of 400.2 divided by 6.6 ಇದೆ 400.2 divided by 6.6 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರು 60.636. Root of 400.2 divided by 6.6, we get the answer root of 60.636 into 10 to the power of 12 minus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 to the power of 6. Therefore, orbital velocity is equal to, when you find the root for this value 60.636, we get the answer 7.787. PO equal to 7.787 into 10 to the power of 3 meter per second. Orbital velocity of the satellite, and it move around an earth with an altitude of 200 kilometer with a radius of 6400 kilometer. We get the orbital velocity value 7.787 into 10 to the power of 3 meter per second. First one value. Second one, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಳಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಾರು, to find the time period. To find the time period of the satellite. T value ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to calculate the time period of the satellite? Time period of the satellite, the circumference or the time taken by the satellite to complete one revolution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Time period of the satellite, that is 2πr divided by orbital velocity or orbital speed ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 2πr divided by v naught. Small r ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು, it is the distance between mass of the satellite to the center of the earth. Then you can write this equation 2 into r plus h divided by orbital velocity v naught. Orbital velocity v naught. Now you can substitute the values here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3.142 ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 6400 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 200 ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ 6600 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 to the power of 3. 2 into 3.142 into 6600 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by orbital velocity value is 7.787 into 10 to the power of 3. 7.787 into 10 to the power of 3. Here, when you divide these two values, we get 2 into 3.142 into 6600. We get the answer 41,448. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 2 into 3.142 into 6600, we get the answer 41,448 divided by 7.787. 7.787. Yeah, 41,448 divided by 7.787. Now you get 5,322.7. 5,322.7, or here when you convert it into minutes, 5322.7 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು 5322.7 second. Convert it into minutes. We get 92 minutes. 92 minutes. Orbital velocity of the satellite value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 7.787 into 10 to the power of 3 meter per second. Time period of the satellite in case of second, that is 5322.7. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿದು ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. when you convert it into minute, divide by 60 ಮಾಡಿ, you get the answer 92 minutes. That is time period of the satellite. Okay, from using this formula we can find orbital velocity and time period of the satellite. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. Here, an artificial Earth satellite or an Earth satellite in a circular orbit at a height of at a height of 200 km above the Earth's surface has a period of 90 minutes. Calculate the mass of the Earth from this data. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಟಾವನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಏನದವು ಎಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 200 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 200 into 10 to the power of 3 meter. And earth surface has a time period t is equal to value one ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು 90 minute. Convert it into second. 90 into 60 ಮಾಡಿ 5400 second. 5400 second ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 5400 second. And calculate the mass of the earth. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರು mass of the earth, but the radius of the earth value is that is 6400 kilometer. 6400 kilometer, convert it into meter. 6400 into 10 to the power of 3 meter. 10 to the power of 3 meter. ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ? Here we have the formula. Time period of the satellite. Time period of the satellite t is equal to ಫೈನಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. t is equal to 25 root of t equal to 25 root of r plus h whole cube. R plus h whole cube divided by g into m. T is equal to 25 root of r plus h whole cube divided by gm. Yes, squaring on both sides of this equation, we get t square is equal to 4 phi square. T square is equal to 4 phi square r plus h whole cube divided by gm. When you square on this equation, both sides, ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ equation ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. t equal to 25 root of r plus h whole cube divided by gm ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ equation t square is equal to 4 phi square r plus h whole cube divided by gm ಆಯಿತು. r plus h whole cube divided by gm. ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು 5400 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 5400 whole square is equal to 4 into 5 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3.142 whole square. 3.142 whole square. Then r value, that is 6400 into 10 to the power of 3 plus h value, that is 200 into 10 to the power of 3 whole cube ಇದೆ. 6400 into 10 to the power of 3 r value plus 200 into 10 to the power of 3 whole cube whole divided by g value, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into mass of the earth. The square of the time period of the planet is 5400 second. Square that value, 4 into 3.142 whole square. Radius of the earth is 6400 into 10 to the power of 3 meter, and 200 into 10 to the power of 3, that is the height, divided by universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Finally, we get the answer, mass of the earth. Here, calculate this value. Mass of the earth is equal to, it is nearly about 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. When you calculate this value from using your calculator, you get nearly 5.98 or 5.99 ಈ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is nearly about 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Try to solve yourself. Okay, now I will move to the next question, that is question number 4. The size of the planet. The size of the planet is same as that of earth and its mass is 4 times that of earth. Mass is 4 times of that of the earth. Here the given values are like this. The size of the planet means the radius of the planet is equal to same as that of Earth means radius of the planet is equal to radius of the Earth. And mass is 4 times of Earth means mass of the planet is equal to 4 times of mass of the Earth. Mass of the planet is equal to 4 times of mass of the Earth. And find the potential energy. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರು? Potential energy, it is mathematically denoted by the symbol U. Energy of a 2 kg of mass means small m is equal to 2 kg. Small m is equal to 2 kg at a height of h is equal to 2 meter. Height of h equal to 2 meter. And from the planet, acceleration due to gravity for our conventionally, here we will take 10 meter per second square. Est quotar value, actual value is 9.8 meter per second square. But sometimes we use acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is 10 meter per second square. ಏನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, size of the planet is same as that of the earth, but mass is 4 times that of the earth. Calculate the potential energy. Mass of the body is 2 kg and it is situated at a height of 2 meter from that planet, and acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is 10 meter per second square. Here, to find the gravitational potential energy, to find the gravitational potential energy, we know the formula U equal to minus G m divided by small r minus G mm divided by small r. M, capital M means this is mass of the planet and this is mass of the body. This is equal to mass minus capital G, mass of the planet into mass of the body divided by small r. It is the distance between center of the earth to the mass of the satellite, that is r plus h. R plus h. Therefore, minus capital G value, substitute here 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into mass of the planet is 4 times of mass of the earth. Therefore, 4 into 6 into 10 to the power of 24. 4 into 6 into 10 to the power of 24 into mass of the body is 2 kg divided by mass of the body is 2 kg. Here, mass of the planet is 4 times of earth. 4 into 6 into 10 to the power of 24 into mass of the body is 2 kg divided by r plus h. Divided by r plus h, that is 6400 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Therefore, u equal to minus. U equal to minus. Here 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 2 into 6.67, we get minus 320.16. Minus 320.16. 6.67 into 4 into 6 into 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ 320.16. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 6.67 into 4 into 6 into 2, we get the value 320.16 into 10 to the power of minus 11 plus 24. Here, this is 10 to the power of plus 13 divided by 6400 plus 2 ಇದೆ, that is 6402 into 10 to the power of 3. Here, u equal to minus 320.16 divided by 6400 and ಇದನ್ನ minus 3 ಮಾಡಿ 320.16 divided by 6402 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get the answer minus 0.05000937 into 10 to the power of 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 13 minus 3 is 10 to the power of 10. When you divide the value 320.16 divided by 6402, we get the answer u equal to minus 0.0500937 into 10 to the power of 10, or the potential energy from that planet u equal to minus 50.00 into 10 to the power of 7. The SI unit of potential energy is joule. SI unit of potential energy is joule. U equal to minus 50.00 into 10 to the power of 7 joule. This is the desired value for this problem. Okay, thank you.